What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And tonight, we're actually going to be heading over to Ace Cafe. It's going to be central for the Z Clubs and me. But before we jump into that, I know y'all have some questions in terms of like where I've been and what's been going on. But first, I'd like to say thank you to everybody who's reached out to me about not being active on the channel, seeing how I'm doing, seeing what's going on, and thank you to everybody who reached out to me about the hurricane. We are good, no damage, didn't lose power or anything, we're good. So thank you all for that. I'm not going to really address where I've been and what's been going on in this video, and I believe in the next video or the video after that, I say I'm not going to answer it yet, but there's going to be a dedicated video for that, so definitely stay tuned for that. And I will not be having you guys wait as long for the video, so we should be caught up here pretty soon. But without further ado, let's go ahead and head on over to Ace Cafe. And the car is still fine, still dirty as usual. There's no changes on it, so it is what it is. But yeah, let's see if we're gonna meet up with any of the homies there. Alright, so just getting here to Ace Cafe. So funny I parked next to these two cars because those are two of the cars I'm looking into potentially upgrading to. So, yes, I haven't really made up my mind yet. It's gonna be one of those two or a Z. So, I was behind this Veris wide body. The BRX, it was sounded pretty good, and I believe the tag it says Veris too, I believe. Yep, sorry, somebody was trying to get my attention. But yeah, these are definitely clean. As always, let me know which car has your attention, your favorite here. I low-key been looking at these too. I don't need a daily, honestly, with the way my life is, the way how little I drive. But that's what I was looking at for a daily. Selling my car and getting that until I chose what I wanted, but that is not happening. So clean. Still want one of these. Seen a few cars up front that I definitely got to go take a look at. I wasn't sure if they were going to still hold this due to there being, well, I mean, it's right after storm, but B-Rad night was supposed to be tonight and they canceled last minute, so definitely glad we still got something to go to. I was definitely planning on going to B-Rad night as well, because I would like to meet the homies locally. B-Rad squad. Oh, that's good right there. That's set up. That's fire. Alright, let's see.
Now all of a sudden, you have the adjustment.
Looking at those as well. If I get me a Q, it's gotta be the red sport. I've been looking at them. Might be the move. Love it. Team Lenzo. Slow 370Z. Oh yeah, and none of the homies could make it. Sheesh. I don't really mess with convertibles, but this one in convertible, definitely love that look. Definitely clean. 3.0 T. Clean, clean, clean. That's the majority of the cars tonight. Still fairly early. Now we can look at the squad up front. It's a private party going on right now too. Almost surprised there's no music playing. This is the one that caught my eye coming in.
Brian's got the same headlights, but his are RGB.
Thought this was somebody else that I knew. Got Speed Zone on there, the Z1, and Central Florida Z Club. Real clean. I missed this whole section. It's so clean. The wheels, this is a good fit. I believe those are the wheels Franz had. Size. Hello. Very clean. Looks great. I know, I'm really feeling the fitment on this. Fitment, stance, all of it. Definitely feeling that. But yeah, love the duckbill trunk. But yeah, as I mentioned a little earlier in the video, I am definitely thinking about, well, not thinking. Part of the, I'm gonna spoil it. Part of the reason that I ended up taking a big break is I am so over my car. Like, definitely looks good and I don't hate it or anything, but I'm just at the point where there's nothing else I want to do to it. Well, I mean, there's plenty I want to do to it, but it wouldn't make sense when I'm actually going to be getting rid of the car here pretty soon. Probably by the end of the year it's going to be gone. I plan on getting either a BMW, thank you, a Q50 or 60, or the new Z. If the new Z doesn't have a markup, I'll go that route. If it does have a crazy markup, then I'm going BMW or Q. So that's just where we at. The GTR pulling up. And it looks perfect. Sounds perfect too. So, Saw 2 more GTRs coming. So I told them I would move my car so they could park all next to each other. Alpha 7, so clean. Let me know which GTR is your favorite out of the bunch. If you want to account for power, or just the way it looks, whatever, just let me know which one you choosing. The white one all day for me though. Alright, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. It was a pretty decent turnout, especially this close to after the storm. There's still a lot of people who are in areas where they can't even get out of their garages, or out of their neighborhoods or anything. So it's definitely good to see the turnout that we had here. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.